Hi guys, follow me on Instagram to never ever miss any of my crazy updates. Many have a craze for automobiles. Keeping this in mind, I'm presenting a brand new Mercedes C63 AMG before you today. The C63 AMG is an amazing car that has already created a sensational boom in its segment with its stellar performance. Friends, if you're talking about performance, how can we forget Upstox Gold? Here you can invest your money in digital gold. Upstox Gold is one of the largest investment platforms in India. There are 30 lakh customers who have already invested in digital gold on Upstox Gold. You can start your investment in digital gold with just ₹1. You also get 99.9% 24 karat pure gold. You just have to pay 3% GST on this and can save 5 to 8% making charges. We can buy and sell our digital gold anywhere and anytime on live market price. Upstox Gold is also starting home delivery very soon. Account opening is totally free. On top of this, get free e-gold worth ₹51 on opening a free account using the link given in the description below. This is the Mercedes C63 AMG Coupe. Yeah, you heard that right. It's the C63, not the C63S. But you know what? This car is actually replacing the Mini John Cooper Works, which I was driving for the past few days. The thing is, this car has double the power, double the cylinder, and double the fun. So let's get going straight away.
Hi.
Why is your seat so ahead?
I mean, because I felt like I was sitting on the ground. ऐसे लग रहा था कि
So you can sit on the roof also, and then we can do an acceleration run. अच्छा, do me a favor now. Press this button.
which button?
इसके ऊपर हाँ ये वाला दबा दो एक बार.
ताकि मुझे हीट आए.
नहीं हीट नहीं है वो.
हीट है.
दबाओ एक बार.
Ventilated seats वाला है ये. This is for heat.
Oh shit.
What
this
oh shit?
brake has got old.
Yeah, of course this is for heat and this is for cold है. दिख रही है शक्ल? Oh, I wish I could take this photo. हो गया. Oh my god, मैं कितनी आगे आ गई. What the hell is wrong with me? मेरे पैर नहीं पहुंच रहे. Am I so short?
You are very short.
Seriously?
Watch out, 4'6".
5'4".
Why do girls take so much time to adjust their seat as if they are doing makeup?
पूरा है.
Leave the accelerator. हाँ, leave. Full brakes, leave. Look at you backing off. First time driving an AMG?
Yeah, of course.
First time driving a V8?
Yeah, of
I
course.
can see that. I can feel that. इतने में फट गई.
अरे फटी नहीं. It's just like you need to take your time before you get comfy with the car, you know. And ऊपर से इसका ground clearance इतना कम है ना. That
ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस से आपको क्या लेन देन?
अरे
ये रोड पे स्पीड ब्रेकर कहाँ है? स्पीड ब्रेकर एक स्पीड ब्रेकर नहीं पूरी रोड पे. स्टॉप मेकिंग एक्सक्यूजेस.
dude, इस पे स्पीड पता नहीं चल रही है.
गो रिस्टार्ट.
What's wrong with them?
They are taking photos
Of?
of themselves.
Why are they taking photos ऐसे रोड के बीच में ठहर के?
Well, that's what TikTokers do. They take.
मतलब imagine live
मुझे
dead
लगा
capture
कुछ-
video हो जाएगा.
मुझे लगा कुछ गिर गया है. कुछ
मुझे
हो
भी
गया
लगा.
होगा.
मतलब I
बीच
was
में खड़ा है.
like बीच में कोई लेटा हुआ है. What's wrong? Too late for the drill. Sorry.
The acceleration is such that this thing has actually moved up ironically.
I know, right? Oh my god, I just saw this.
What?
ये आगे आ रहा है. Yeah. Brake, dude. इतनी पास में कौन जाता है?
अरे बहुत टाइम ब्रेक करने के लिए. This has got carbon ceramic AMG
you
brakes.
have a habit of going and kissing the other car asses.
It's not called a kiss, it's called a tease. Kiss means a touch. A tease means you come close but you don't touch.
Yeah,
Look at that car. Look at that wagon. It's 3 kilometers ahead.
कितने airbags है इसमें?
जितने सिलेंडर उतने एयरबैग.
You are lying to me. You are lying to me, right? Don't kill the bear. Don't kill the bear.
There is no bear to kill. I'm not Dhanil.
मुझे लग रहा है कि इससे पहले I could completely experience the car. You took it midway. So there is a lot more to go.
So Nureen, how was the first AMG experience?
It was nice.
Don't be so generic. It was nice. It was good. Thoda enthusiasm, thoda josh. It was phenomenal. It was amazing. You know, when I went left foot on the brake, right foot on the accelerator, I got goosebumps. My lungs came into my mouth. That's not possible. Maybe heart can come in the mouth. But
It's okay. It's okay.
you know why there's so much heat right now? Because when we came out for the drive, that time it wasn't that hot. But she took so much time to get into heat. Just she thought she can match my height. But honestly, I have to congratulate her. Congratulations. Because she has joined the firefighting department with this fire jumpsuit of hers. किधर से मिलता है? Return करोगे पहनने के बाद?
Well, can you just zoom in down at your pink shoes? जहाँ से ये लिया ना वहीं से.
मैंने तो उधर से लिया है, Linking Road से.
यहीं से,
50 rupees a pop. But the C63 Coupe beats the whole point of an AMG because the AMGs are supposed to be sleepers. This car is not. The paint job is phenomenal. It's a coupe. It looks fantastic. It's like it looks fast while standing still, and when going fast, you can't see it, of course. That is the level of performance. But आज के लिए इतना ही, I think. After a couple of days, we'll start driving this car more aggressively. Till that time, let me get the hang of rear wheel drive. Otherwise, when you take a U-turn, people react like this. So a couple of days from where we left off last time. Now, of course, today is a Tuesday, I think. Vlog shoot के काफ़ी time हो गया. Yesterday went all into this. And today we are going to be shooting the full video of this car, which means walk around, reels, सब कुछ आज ही shoot करने वाले हैं. That's why I'm dressed as a Mercedes-Benz employee because I needed to offload a lot more information. So first things first, let's go take the car into good location and start talking. Of course, problem क्या है ना, मैट है तो बहुत जल्दी बहुत ही गंदी हो जाती है गाड़ी. But still, even when it's dirty, it looks fantastic. Let's quickly do the walk around, then do the driving vlog. And उसके बीच में fuel तो भराना ही पड़ेगा because V8 engine. Finally finished the driving vlog of the Mercedes AMG C63 Coupe. It has been so much fun now that I think I would have made a 3-hour vlog on this car alone because there is so much to talk about and you just can't get enough of the acceleration. It accelerates like absolutely crazy. Plus, there's that feeling that anytime you can spin with the traction control on Sport and the AMG Dynamic on Pro because there's no Master in this one. Master basically has that 9-level traction control which is there in the AMG GTR as well. So abhi what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some talking about the car which you guys can see right after this and फिर probably photos लेंगे but light जा रही है यहाँ पे sun तो दिख रहा है बहुत अच्छा प्यारा but unfortunately now weather ऐसा winter season है तो ज़्यादा कुछ दिख नहीं रहा. Yeah, my shirt looks red. I know that's what you guys are saying. So you won't believe it that between the vlog Nureen was actually shouting when the car went little bit rear slide थोड़ा बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं but फिर भी let's just ask her what's up with her because she's right now just sleeping. What's up? सो रहे हो आप? You come to sleep or what? How can someone sleep in a Mercedes AMG C63 Coupe?
I told you that I had a lot of work और फिर मेरे को नींद नहीं मिल गई अच्छे से. I was working.
तो गाड़ी में सोओगे?
नहीं.
So I'll do one thing. I'll drop you to your house and then leave. Bye. Just kidding. We have to shoot a lot. Left foot on the brake, right foot on the accelerator. Race start. Increasing the revs and the acceleration is nothing short of madness. In fact, this gearbox is super fast. Okay, it's so fast. It's unbelievable. It's a 9-speed unit. But you know what? It upshifts very fast. It can put you in 9th gear at 70 kilometers per hour. That's how quick it is. But right now we are in Sport Plus, so we should not be talking about the car being conservative because it's absolute bananas. It shifts from 7 to 3rd in no time at all. Okay, it's so quick. It sounds also very nice. There's so much punch in this engine. 476 horsepower and 650 Newton meters of torque. Has never felt better in any car. This is so good to drive. Handling is surreal. Brakes are stupendous. There is no body movement. There is no body roll. There is just mind-blowing body control from this car because okay, I know I cocked up the launch because right now I'm in AMG Dynamics Pro, not in Master. There's no Master in this car, unfortunately. So launching this car off the line, even with a launch control like race start, is not the easiest of things because unfortunately now sometimes you can mess things up. And why do you mess things up? Purely because it just doesn't have the amount of grip you would expect with rear wheel drive only. But we still do one thing. We're going to launch this car yet once again so that I can show you how much thrust can go inside. So here, have a look here, Nureen, and we're going to go left foot on. Look at the way it downshifts. Absolutely bananas. Blips the throttle and race start, increasing the revs. Freak, man. This is absolute insanity. I love it. This is the car I would buy blindfolded. So right now I've come for some photo shoots with this car. I know I'm not getting enough of photos. I just want to take more photos, shoot more and more. And the good news is that the car has been further extended for the next few days, which means that I'm going to burn a lot more fuel. Never mind, with me is Yasmin, my sister. What's up?
Hi.
You know, she's squinting a lot, you know, because I have taken her sunglasses for the moment. You should get another extra pair of glares, okay?
You chorified.
Chorified, what nonsense. What we're going to do is, we're going to go to office right now. कुछ काम है ऑफिस में वो फिनिश करते हैं.
When is lunch?
Lunch is at lunch time. What else? You have lunch in office. मैं तो घर पे खाऊंगा because
It is already
I am on a healthy drug. You know, I've reduced actually a lot of weight as such.
By not eating McDonald's.
Okay, that's a secret.
Congrats on the 1 million.
Thanks a lot, yeah.
Oh, yeah, social distancing.
I think I have to refuel again because it drinks so much fuel. Don't ask, but it gives you that performance as well. So guys, this was a short vlog showing you around with this beautiful Mercedes C63 AMG, and the car is still there for a few more days. But I'm just going to end the vlog right now because मुझे और काफ़ी सारे shoots करने हैं, ऑफिस जाना है, बहुत सारा काम है.
I didn't find my reasons, but it's hard to reverse the feeling.
Guys, you can also now easily invest in digital gold through Upstocks Gold. Check out the link in the description to open your free account and now also get e-gold worth ₹51 on account opening.